Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into digital marketing and exploring 10 proven ways to turn your skills into cold hard cash in 2024. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, grab your notebooks and get ready to unlock your digital money-making potential. 1. Freelancing, your gateway to freedom. Offer your digital marketing expertise on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Start with smaller projects to build your portfolio and reputation. Specialize in a specific niche like SEO, social media marketing, or PPC. 2. Content creation. Craft your words, build your audience. Become a freelance content writer or copywriter, creating engaging content for websites, blogs, and social media. Start a YouTube channel or blog and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Develop your brand and build a loyal following. 3. Social media management. Master the platforms, rule the game. Help businesses manage their social media presence, create engaging content, and grow their audience. Offer consulting services to businesses looking to improve their social media strategy. Stay ahead of the curve by learning new trends and platform features. 4. SEO mastery, the key to organic traffic and growth. Become an SEO expert and help businesses rank higher in search results. Offer keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building services. Stay updated on Google's algorithm changes and adapt your strategies accordingly. 5. Paid advertising. Boost reach, drive results. Learn the ins and outs of Google Ads, Facebook ads, and other platforms. Create and manage effective ad campaigns for your clients or your own business. Track your results and optimize your campaigns for maximum ROI. 6. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting others' products. Find products or services relevant to your niche and promote them through your content. Earn commissions on every sale you generate through your affiliate links. Build trust with your audience and focus on genuine recommendations. 7. E-commerce. Build your online empire. Start your online store and sell physical or digital products. Use SEO, social media, and email marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales. Stay updated on e-commerce trends and adapt your store accordingly. 8. Email marketing, the power of personalization. Learn how to craft compelling email campaigns that convert. Offer email marketing services to businesses looking to reach and engage their audience. Master automation tools and segment your audience for targeted messaging. 9. Consulting and training. Share your expertise, earn top dollar. Offer consulting services to businesses seeking digital marketing guidance. Create and sell online courses or workshops to teach others your skills. Build your authority in the industry and establish yourself as a thought leader. 10. Community building. Foster connections. Grow together. Create a community around your niche, such as a Facebook group or online forum. Offer paid memberships, exclusive content, or online events. Leverage the power of community to grow your brand and generate income. Bonus tip: diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one method. Combine several of these strategies to create a stable and diverse income stream. So there you have it. 10 proven ways to make money with digital marketing in 2024. Remember, success requires hard work, dedication, and continuous learning. But with the right approach and these actionable tips, you can turn your digital marketing skills into a thriving career. Now it's your turn. What are you waiting for? Grab those opportunities and start making money with digital marketing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content like this. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep hustling. I hope this helps. Good luck with your YouTube channel.